Hello again, Taiwan, or anyone else who chose to click on this video. So today, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to cook a traditional Puerto Rican meal. Pretty simple. So it's red beans and rice, and also some ground beef if you want to add it. So I'm going to make it because some of the people who live with me eat meat. I do not, or I'm trying to not, but nonetheless. So we're gonna make red beans Puerto Rican style, rice Puerto Rican style, which is a little different than Asian rice, and also ground beef. I'm also probably going to do a voiceover because it's in the kitchen and things are loud and stuff. So yeah, let's get started.
So first we have to start with the ingredients. So rice, Goya pink beans, canola oil, iodized salt. This is a ham flavor, adobo, sazon. Gotta figure out where to put it. There. This is called sofrito. It's like a mix of herbs, tomato sauce, and then of course beef. Let's go. So you pour in 2.5 cups of water into a cast iron pot. Then you pour in some salt. I don't know how much, this much. Then you pour in a big spoon of canola oil. So this is what's different from Asian rice. And then you mix the oil and the salt in the water. And then you turn on the heat. And then you wait for the water to boil. Once it's boiling, you pour in 2 cups of rice. Try to get all the rice out if you can. And then cover it and turn the heat down to low. Then set a timer for 15 minutes. Now, let's move on to the beans. So pour in 1/3 cup of water. Then you add 1 packet of sazon. Gonna make it really orange. Then you add a pack of the ham flavoring. Then you add some adobo, as much as you want. I like a lot. Then you pour in half the can of tomato sauce. And then you put in 1 spoonful of the sofrito. Then you mix it all together and you turn on the heat. And then you pour in the entire can of pink beans. Get it all out. And then you mix it together. Then just cover it and let it go. For the beef, you want to pour in just a little bit of olive oil. And then put in sofrito, another 1 spoon, and then mix it together. Then turn on the heat. Then pour in the beef. Oops. Then you start mixing it together. Add the rest of the tomato sauce and a packet of sazon. Then mix it again until you get kind of this color. And then just let it boil out, both the beans and the beef. Cool. Okay, so back to the rice. After 15 minutes, take off the lid. You fluff the rice, which means kind of do this with the spoon. And then you're done. Boom, easy peasy. Just gotta, there we go, good, done. Okay, time to serve. So now, get a bowl. Gotta grab the mittens because it's pretty hot. I like to eat a lot of rice, so I put in 3 spoonfuls. 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then you pour in the beans. This is as much as you want. I like to have a lot of beans and then also a lot of the liquid, a lot of the sauce, because I like to make the rice orange. And remember, I'm not eating beef. And then you mix it up. And then you're ready to eat. Careful though, it can be really hot. Boom, delicious.
All right, well, way down here. So that was how you make rice and beans and beef, ground beef, if you're into that, if you want some of that. It is delicious, and I'm very full. All right, well, I will see you next time. Bye, guys.